September. She burns through the night like an ember. And all those things we tried forgetting, I remember. But we say we all fine, we all fine. Sunny day dreams and we up now. Vodka lemonade, I serve it up, it goes down. 75 degrees in a dope sound. All you need to live fine, to live fine. A little sunshine, cause she needed a dose of rainfall in the evening. The waves crash down and we feel them. Say here's through the nights, we steal them. And I'll be running cause I figured out.
Any luck this morning?
Just got here.
All right. Maybe he's good luck. Maybe he's good luck. Or maybe not, you know. That's a fish. That's a big fish. Or he's a good fighter, one or the other. Oh, that's a good fish. Boom.
First one of the day.
Not bad.
Right, super pale.
Told you, they're all pale here.
Super pale.
And I knew this color would work. This is the same color as the tilapia that come in here.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Let me weigh him. He's got to be 2 3/4.
Yeah. It's like coming back.
Yeah, I know. I would too, man. Oh, I don't want to get your gills all f***ed up. There we go. Man, I am good.
2 3/4.
2.79.
Dang. Nice, good fishing.
Yeah, good start, man. Especially since it's been about 10 hours since I caught a fish, fishing-wise. Like, I fished 6 hours yesterday, 4 hours the day before.
Yeah.
Not bad. Good start. Oh, there's a hole there. Watch your step. Right there, man. I'm telling you. Right where the edge of the thing hits, like, you can predict where the edge of it will be on the ground.
Yeah, that guy's pissed off now.
Uh-huh. Told you. Guaranteed spot, man. Got one. Hey, buddy. A little smaller. You give me another picture? My eyes were closed on the last one, apparently. My eyes were apparently closed on the last picture.
Oh, were they?
I tore his lip up something good, though. All right. I'm not going to weigh him. He's a little smaller than the last one.
Yeah.
But look at the hole I put in his lip.
Dang. Yeah, he'll be alright.
Oh, yeah, it'll heal. And I have red-colored crawfish looking bait, and that's exactly what I caught him on. And I've caught a few of them on it before.
I think I've got a red one too in the
But that seems to work. Like, even if you have a red crankbait, it'll work sometimes out here.
Let's see what I got.
If you're feeling ballsy, put a couple about 3 feet in front of this ramp. Keep your rod tip up.
Yeah.
That way it doesn't sink too far. And you might have good luck.
Yeah, this one's not a real deep diver. I think this one's like, I think it's 5 feet at the most. Let's see what it does.
Even coming closer. Like cast, like make it land
Yeah.
right there. Turtle. Hey! Flip them up and in. Take your whole rod and flip them up. No skunk for either of us.
That's right.
That's a good fish.
First fish of the year. Oh, swallowed both hooks. This one's got him. First fish of the year. Pretty good.
Make sure it's
About a
good.
pounder.
Oh, it's a
Pound and a half.
pound and a half. You want to weigh it, you can.
Nah, no need. Good pick. Toss
Yeah, yeah, good pick.
Okay. All right, buddy. Thank you.
Let me send it to you.
Sweet. The little fake crawfish crank worked out there.
Yeah, I told you, man.
He like, oh.
Yeah, he just gnarled it up. I bet they're kicking themselves for leaving.
This poor guy.
It looks like it's going to get worse.
This little fish about this big just jumped out of the water.
You probably thought your lure was coming to eat it. Wow, it's really coming down now. You want to get out of here? All right. I'm going to take 3 more casts just to see if the rain does anything. Do you want to take a couple more casts? Damn. Are you hung up? Well, I guess that's a sign. You might have had a tree.
Something
Yeah, probably a stick. Oh, it's coming down hard now. Yo, let's get out of here.
God damn it. I hope I don't catch something now. There we go.
All right, so unfortunately the weather dictated that our fishing day be cut short today. We only got in a couple hours. Normally we fish for, 4 or 5 hours. But at least we caught some fish. I caught 2 fish. Jordan caught his first fish of 2017. And I don't think we lost too many lures. that little water intake there's a bunch of broken concrete underneath it and some exposed rebar, some stumps, and it's where lures go to die. And I've lost more lures than I care to admit right there. Mostly crankbaits. But yeah, anyway, last time I was in my car talking to you guys like this, I mentioned that I didn't know what sort of video release schedule Patrick and I were working on doing with the channel. It was still brand new. It was still a brand new channel at the time. Not that it's old now, it's still extremely new, but we've got almost 30 videos under our belt now on the channel and over 200 subscribers now. Thank you guys, by the way, so very much for subscribing and watching our stuff. It's just fun to do. But anyway, back on track. Our official video release schedule that we've really been doing this for the last couple of months anyway now is we're going to release a video every Monday and every Friday. That allows us time to collect footage and make sure it's edited the way we want it edited. And, we're not putting out mass-produced garbage. Yeah, so that's it. Monday and Friday, expect a video from us right at noon Central Time, 12 o'clock Central. That's 1 o'clock Eastern and 10 o'clock a.m. in the Pacific time zone for those of you over in California, Seattle, all that, the West Coast there. Yeah, that's all I got. I'm going to get my butt home. I'm going to dry off. And that's it, guys. Take care, and I will see you in the next one.